These are my Euphorbia Viguieri plants, and I'm going to share with you how I germinated the seeds. To collect the seeds, you need to place a small mesh bag or plastic bag over the seed pods. I suggest you place your bag over the seed pod as soon as you start to see the white part forming. You need the mesh bag because the seeds will burst out and you will likely not be able to find them. These plants had flowers but did not produce any seeds until late fall, early winter. If necessary, you can store the seeds until springtime before planting, but planting fresh seeds is always best. First, I soak the seeds overnight in room temperature water. This is not mandatory, but is supposed to speed up the germination process. Plant the seeds directly in well-draining potting soil. I use normal potting soil and cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil, and then place them in a sealed bag to help maintain soil moisture and high humidity level. Try and keep your seeds above 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius. 2-week update. So far, only 2 seeds have germinated. It's been 4 weeks, and 3 out of the 10 seeds germinated. Not a great success rate, but I believe not uncommon for this plant, and the ones that have sprouted are looking good. Note that it was my experience that if the seed does not germinate quickly, it is not going to germinate at all. I will leave these in their closed containers for a bit longer before starting to harden them off. Please support my channel by leaving a like and subscribing. Happy gardening, everybody! Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!